If you are a crypto investor and you are thinking about whether you should be relocating to Argentina or not, then this video is for you. What I want to talk about is what were the regulations when it comes to crypto taxation in Argentina and what is happening now with the new proposed bill by the new president. Hi, my name is Sadife and I have been a part of Nomad Capitalist for about 5 years now in the strategy department, helping our clients directly diversify their options and ensure that they accomplish their goals. Today, I want to talk a bit more about Argentina. With this new bill potentially passing from the new president, Javier Milei, I want to make a comparison of what the tax situation was in Argentina when it comes to crypto just the last couple of years and what it is right now and what it might potentially be. It is important if you are exposed to crypto to ensure that the country that you relocate to will be crypto tax friendly. A lot of countries don't have regulations for crypto. In some countries it might even be illegal. In Argentina it's not really illegal, but it was not that defined until, of course, recently. Now the new president has a very pro-crypto stance, which means that some changes might happen with his presidency. So again, in February of this year, so 2024, the new president, Javier Milei, actually proposed a bill. So this bill, known as the Law of Foundations and Initial Measures for Argentinian Liberty, this aims to ease tax burdens in Argentina when it comes to crypto. One step is actually eliminating provisions regarding cryptocurrencies from tax declarations in Argentina, which obviously is a huge step. So previously, people exposed to crypto had the option to, or the privilege to report their earnings and be taxed at a favorable flat tax rate. Now, if this bill passes, what this means is that holding crypto will remain untaxed, but tax obligation will only arise from capital gains that are generated through the sale of crypto. This will also be below a specific threshold, which is not really that known what the threshold will be yet, but it will not be the same tax on capital gains for all types of sales. It will have thresholds. What is known is that international transfers of cryptocurrency will be taxed anywhere from 5 to 15%. So, of course, because this is just a proposed bill, it will be further discussed during 2024, and even these suggestions that have happened so far might change, and it either might be more like crypto-friendly, or it might go towards the other directions. We will just need to kind of wait and see how the situation unfolds. So if Argentina is not the place for you due to what has been happening obviously in the past few months and what might happen in the next few months, is you can always opt for another more tax favorable country, especially when it comes to crypto. What comes to mind is Costa Rica. You can do Panama as well. Both of them are territorial tax system. What that means is only the income that is sourced in the territory, so in Costa Rica or in Panama, will be taxed in the country. So anything sourced from outside of the country is not taxable. Obviously, sometimes it is a bit difficult to pinpoint, where crypto is sourced. If you are a trader, if the platform is not located, for example, in Costa Rica, if it's located outside of Costa Rica, usually that's not locally sourced income. What that means is obviously it won't be taxable. Obviously, again, these are all topics that need to be discussed with a professional CPA, and it's not always as easy as it seems. So I would urge you to properly review the situation if you want to move to one of these countries. Alternatively, a bit further away, but you can opt for a Caribbean country, such as Antigua and Barbuda. In Antigua, there is no capital gain tax, no income tax, no inheritance tax. So Antigua doesn't really impose any form of taxation on you. So you can freely move there and continue your crypto activities without worrying about the taxation. So for example, if you've already moved to Argentina and you think this might affect you negatively, obviously the next step would be for you to detach yourself from the tax system there and become a tax non-resident. There are a lot of things that are involved when it comes to tax non-residency, a very tedious process for sure, and you need to ensure that you are cutting all ties with Argentina. That could be spending little to no time in Argentina, closing all bank accounts, closing all subscriptions, not having a property available to you. What that means is the property that you have, if you own it, you need to sell it. If you rent it, you need to obviously cut the lease. Less preferably, sometimes you can also lease the property that you own, and in those scenarios you can maintain one bank account to get the income. But that's about it. So you need to go through the process of the tax non-residency, which is very complicated, and we usually recommend you to document that very well in order to properly depart. So if this bill is passed and is not convenient for you, and if you've reviewed for example, Costa Rica, Panama, or even Antigua, the ones that I've mentioned, and none of them actually suit you, or you want to learn more, what you can always do is reach out to us, apply to become a client from our website, where we can go through the entire process of determining which option is the best for your situation, as it obviously differs very much. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to view our other content as well.